How to see accessories ID on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to see your accessories ID on your Roblox account. So first of all you have to do is just open your Roblox account in your web browser, or you can also follow these steps in your mobile application on the Roblox app if you want to, but I'm showing you in the web version of the Roblox account of mine. So just log into your account, and once you're logged into your account, all you have to do is just click on the marketplace section from the top menu section that you will see. Just tap on it, and here on this page you will see different type of accessories that are there in the Roblox that you can choose and buy from here. So for example, I want to buy this particular two-tone flower clip updo, so just click on it. So for example, I want to buy this particular accessories for my Roblox avatar that I have in my account. So in order to see this particular accessory ID, all you have to do is just see the URL code for this particular page right here. So when you see the URL code of this particular page, you will see this code number right beside the catalog slash this number. So this is basically the accessory ID that you will see on the screen. So this is basically how you will be able to find the accessories ID on your Roblox account. So for example, if you want to find the accessory ID for this particular hairstyle right here, so when you will see the URL right beside the catalog slash, you will be able to see the number. This digit number that you will see right here is the accessories ID that you are seeing on your screen. So this is basically how you will be able to see the accessories IDs on your Roblox account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.